On the quiet night of March 8, 2014, Malaysian Airlines flight MH370 prepared for what should have been a routine journey. Departing from Kuala Lumpur, the Boeing 737-200ER set its course for Beijing, carrying 239 souls passengers and crew from 14 different countries. At precisely 12:42 a.m., the plane lifted off, piloted by the experienced Captain Zahari Ahmad Shah and his co-pilot, First Officer Fariq Abdul Hamid. The first 40 minutes of the flight proceeded smoothly, climbing to a cruising altitude of 35,000 feet, and then, at 1:19 a.m., as the plane transitioned into Vietnamese airspace, Captain Zahari's calm voice was heard saying, "Good night, Malaysian 370. It was the last known communication from the aircraft. Just 2 minutes later, the plane's transponder stopped functioning, and MH370 disappeared from civilian radar. It was as if the plane had vanished. Military radar tracked the aircraft for a while longer. Instead of continuing on its northeast course, MH370 made a sharp left turn, flying back over the Malay Peninsula. Then, another turn took it northwest over the Andaman Sea, suggesting someone in the cockpit was in control. By 2:22 a.m., the plane vanished from military radar as well. When MH370 failed to make contact with Vietnamese air traffic control and missed its scheduled landing in Beijing, an international search began. Initially focused on the South China Sea, the search quickly expanded. Inmarsat, a British satellite company, provided a crucial breakthrough. The plane continued to ping their satellite for hours, revealing it had flown for approximately 7 more hours after disappearing from radar. Investigators narrowed the plane's path to the southern Indian Ocean, one of the most remote places on Earth. On March 24, 2014, the Malaysian Prime Minister announced the heartbreaking conclusion. Flight MH370 ended in the southern Indian Ocean. Despite a massive search, the main wreckage was never found, though debris began washing up on shores bordering the Indian Ocean. Theories abound: pilot suicide, hijacking, mechanical failure. Yet, the mystery continues. For the families of the 239 passengers and crew, the lack of closure is agonizing. Memorials stand in their honor, and the tragedy has spurred changes in aviation safety. But the final resting place of MH370 remains undiscovered. What really happened that fateful night? The world may never know.